Hi and welcome to another 10-minute Yin Yoga practice. As we have established, we're playing a little tug of war here before we start. For today's practice, I want you to have two blocks ready because we will be using them in two of our poses. And just grab one and we'll begin in a supported bridge. I really love doing supported bridge. It's such a wonderful pose. So just lie down on your back, grab your block and then slide it so that your pelvis is supported. You might have to move around a bit to find that perfect support so that it really feels nice, relaxing. Let your arms rest by your sides, your palms can be turned up. Make sure that there is no weird compression happening anywhere in your body. And just enjoy this. Begin to deepen your breath and then really press through the feet into your mat. Squeeze the thighs to lift yourself off the block. Remove the block and slowly, slowly, slowly roll down onto your mat. Just take a moment here, settle against your mat. And the next pose that we'll do is a supported reclined butterfly. This really changes how the pose feels. So I want you to get into your reclined butterfly, your feet together, knees apart, and then place your blocks under your thighs. You can use whichever height you need. Just place the blocks under your legs. This will offer some support and it will actually release your hips more. This is the beauty of it, that through support we can let go even more. You can keep your hands on your body, down by your side. Just choose what feels nice for you in this moment. And settle here for a few minutes. begin to deepen your breath, and with the help of your hands, return your knees so that they are facing the ceiling. You can remove the blocks. Adjust your position on the mat if you need to adjust before entering Savasana, so extending your legs long, creating length through the spine, through the neck, and let your arms come down by your sides. Really sink into your mat and allow yourself this beautiful time to integrate your practice. If you want to stay in Shavasana for longer, you can. But if you're ready to come out, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a nice deep stretch if that feels good to you. And then just roll onto one side for a breath. Before using your hands to come back up into a seat, place your hands together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and just take a moment for gratitude, for taking the time for yourself, for coming onto your mat, for doing something wonderful for your body. Thank you.